Welcome back to Morning Sun Homestead. After digging our potatoes and curing them, we store them in milk crates for the winter. As we are gathering them for storage, we lay out any small, sunburned, or potatoes with blemishes or soft spots. All these issues will rot a whole crate of potatoes throughout the winter. We can up all our problem potatoes and turn them into tasteful, useful meals. The potatoes can be peeled or unpeeled. Our family likes them peeled. When left unpeeled, the peeling will come off in strips and can be unappetizing. I don't peel the little potatoes as there will be nothing left. A knife or a carrot peeler can be used to peel the potatoes. I use a knife just because that is the way I am used to. A carrot peeler does not take as much potato meat. If a large batch of potatoes is being peeled, the peeled potatoes need to be put in water so they don't turn brown. The larger potatoes need to be chunked so they fit better in the jar, and the smaller potatoes can be left whole. Some heat the potatoes through for 10 minutes before putting in the jars. I don't anymore, as it makes the potatoes too mushy after the canning process. Now I raw pack them, shaking the jars throughout the stuffing process. I add 1 teaspoon of salt and cover the potatoes with hot water. This is another argument of dry canning or not. I have never did dry canning. It may work. I feel with all the work and time committed to making good food for my family, I don't want to mess it up and cause us to lose food. Potatoes will be canned in the pressure canner. 10 pounds of pressure. Quarts will be processed for 40 minutes and pints for 35. We use our canned potatoes in potato soup, other soups and stews, and also fry them in lard after draining the water off for a good breakfast meal. Thanks for watching and enjoy the potatoes.